Living off welfare has become a common way of life, so common that it is celebrated in one of the greatest salsa hits of all time, a Puerto Rican classic titled No Hago Más Nada, which translates to I Do Nothing.
Yo me levanto por la mañana, me doy un baño y me perfumo, me como un buen desayuno y no hago más nada, más nada. Qué bueno es vivir así. Qué bueno, qué bueno, qué bueno, qué bueno es vivir la vida, comiendo, durmiendo y no haciendo nada.
The song is one of the greatest hits of El Gran Combo de Puerto Rico, the most famous salsa band in the world. Their fame is such that the New York Times placed them in the same league as the Rolling Stones as influencers and ambassadors of culture. As the largest bank in Puerto Rico, Banco Popular's success depends on the island's economy. So to help propel it in the right direction, it convinced El Gran Combo to rewrite history. On August 15th, Puerto Rico's news waves buzzed with the announcement that El Gran Combo had an important message for the island. It was simultaneously unveiled on every TV and radio station in the country. El Gran Combo delivered an inspirational address before releasing a rewritten and re-recorded version of their old hit song with new lyrics, this time with a completely different message.
Yo me levanto por la mañana, salgo de casa bien elegante, listo pa' echar pa'lante y nunca pa' atrás, pa' atrás. Qué bueno es vivir así.
The entire country was caught off guard. No one expected that the legendary group would ever reinvent such a classic. The new song was the talk of every media outlet in the country. Community leaders, politicians, the Secretary of Labor, and even the governor commended El Gran Combo's example and what it meant for the country. The next day, Banco Popular revealed it was behind the effort by launching a multimedia campaign asking consumers to help make the new track the country's most popular song. The song made it all the way up to the top of the charts. Its overnight success moved Banco Popular to organize and sponsor a free concert featuring El Gran Combo for more than 60,000 spectators. It also sparked a debate that grew into a movement of Puerto Ricans committed to the progress of the island.